Hi everyone! Welcome to my day! Maligayang pagdalo sa ganap ng buhay ko araw-araw. Samahan ninyo ako ngayon at tiyagain ang mga bagay na gagawin ko na wala naman talagang pakinabang sa inyo. Pero pinapanood pa rin. So, with that, thank you. It's still a part of my 100-day commitment to myself, to you, and to the channel. Malapit na tayong mag-100. We are nearing 90, I guess. Kasi araw-araw lang ako nagba-vlog eh. So, welcome to my day. Kayo, kamusta araw ninyo? Ano ang mga bagay-bagay na ginagawa nyong iba? Or ano yung mga bagay na within 100 days, pareho pa rin yung ginagawa ninyo? Kasi that's one of the things I realized now. There's no significant shift on my activity, pare-pareho lang. Di ba kaya nga sabi ng iba, ang boring ng buhay ko? Very routinary. Well, if you come to think of it, totoo naman. Very routinary lang ang buhay ko. Aalis ng bahay, pupunta ng trabaho, mag-gym, babalik sa office para umere, uuwi. Very rare yung may activities in between. Kung nabobore kayo sa buhay ko, okay naman sa akin, sakto naman. I don't really need any other activities to make my day or my week or my month enjoyable. I'll tell you a little secret. Nung nag-umpisa ako mag-vlog netong 100-day vlog. Supposed to be dapat 20 lang yan eh. Dapat kasi una 10 lang iniisip ko, tapos 50 ganyan or 20. I never thought 100 is a doable thing. Never thought. Hindi ko naisip na kakayanin ko. I doubted myself. Ngayon, yung 100-day vlog, ang ginawa ko niya, in-schedule ko kasi yan eh. Parang pagkakatanda ko, in-edit ko ng gabi, in-schedule ko siya, tapos tinitlean ko ng day 1 of 100. Kaya kung mababalikan ninyo yung first day ng vlog ko, wala siyang title, nakalagay lang day 1 of 100. Kasi I was supposed to change yung 100 into like 20 or 30. Basta hindi 100, no? I was supposed to change it into something else. Tapos, what happened was, di ba in-schedule ko na? Nakalimutan ko na baguhin bago siya online. So, na-post yung day 1 of 100 ang walang title. Kaya pag babalikan nyo yung day 1 ko, walang title yun. Diba? Minsan yung mga title ako like day 89 of 100, blah blah blah, may nakalagay. And yung mga title na yun, ano lang yun, very random lang yun. Actually, wala siyang kahit anong eklat. No? It's just one speck of the entire vlog. So yun, nakalimutan ko. Kaya, pinakatawanan ko na yung 100-day vlog. And so far, we're doing good naman. Patapos na tayo ng 100 and kaya naman pala. Na-share ko lang. Dito na ako sa bank kasi papick upin ko yung card ko dahil di ba nawala ko siya nung nag-China kami ni Gandang Kara. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko nawala sa China yung ATM ko. Pero nagpa-replace na ako. I asked for a replacement and ready na raw. Papick upin natin. Let's go. Nakakuha na ako ng bank cert tsaka bank statement. Need ko for a visa requirement transaction.
System activated.
Yan, system activated na. Kasi may travel kami ni daughter. Ngayon naman, pupunta tayo ng office na kasi kukuha naman tayo ng ITR natin tsaka Certificate of Employment. Those are the two remaining requirements that I need. Kasi may promise ako kay daughter na magka-travel kami this August for her birthday. Kasi nung birthday niya, hindi kami umalis eh. We're supposed to travel nung birthday niya. Kaya lang, yung activities ng school niya did not allow us to travel dahil ang dami nilang mga ganap sa school. So, ngayong mangyayari yung August. Ang init na naman ng panahon, natutokso ako magpa-carwash. Lason yan sa budget kasi magpapa-carwash ka tapos uulan. Pero ang ganda ng panahon, no? Ulan kaya? Tanong natin si Siri. Hi Siri, is it going to rain today?
There's a slight chance of rain within the next hour.
There's a slight chance of rain within the next hour. Wag na. Sayang yung 150, no? Patawid ako ng Quirino ngayon. Eto, kakatawid ko lang ng TAF ngayon along Quirino. Meron dito, I don't know kung nakikita nyo na, on my left side, merong ramp on na skyway dyan. Ayan. Pero hindi tayo aakyat dyan, ha? Didiretso tayo. Ayan. So may ramp on dito. Yung vlog ko kahapon, I don't know if it was yesterday or the other day, pag natapos yung ramp off naman sa bandang Santa Mesa at traffic, pwede na ako umakyat dyan sa left na yan at bumaba ng bandang San Juan, Mandaluyong. Although malapit lang, pero at least option. Alam ko meron niyang daan dun eh. So may iwasan ko tong traffic area dito. Or baka din pagka natapos yan, mabawasan yung traffic along the way na hindi na kailangang umakyat pa ng skyway para makatipid din. Very drastic yung changes dito. Inabot ko to ng walang tulay dito eh. Center Island lang at may mga panabong na manok dyan sa gitna na yan dati. Alright, we're here na. This is Elaine Building and I'll probably park. Pwede na siguro dito sa harapan. Walang gaanong nakapark. We'll park here. Yeah, dito tayo. Okay. Gutom ako. Kakain natin konti. Actually ko konti lang. Half cup lang nung adlay. Tsaka dinakdakan. Magkalaman lang yung tiyan ko. Tsaka kape. Weird but magkakape tayo habang kumakain ng first meal natin. So, papunta tayo ng gym ngayon. And, wala akong ganong ginawa sa office, pero puro chika lang, nakakapagod din. Punta ako ng gym, malamang chumika lang din ako doon. Ano pa nga bang ginagawa ng mga kasama ko doon tsaka ako, di ba? E di chismisan lang din. Tara na, mag-workout na tayo.
Dude, let me ask you a question. Why the hell do people keep getting married? You know what I mean? Isn't anybody looking at the stats? What's it like, 3 out of 4 marriages go right down the drain now? People, if you were going skydiving and they told you 3 out of 4 parachutes weren't going to open, you'd be like, yo, forget it, I'm not going. I don't like those odds.
Nasa gym na tayo. We're here. Abs, basta.
Oh! Hello guys.
Ano ba yung
Hi mom, hi dad.
Ano yung
Oh, let's go. Hello guys. This is us. Gymming. Okay. Vlog takeover. So this is the people. Say hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Kyle.
Okay, Kyle, that's your screen time only. Say hi.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. Okay, Coach Eli, say hi.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello, Gumenas I.
Oh. Okay. Okay. That's Papa Jack doing his set. Oh. That's Sir Mike. Oh, Sir Mike. Okay. Oh. As you can see, very hard muscles. Paano na yung off? Hey, vlog take over.
Oh, okay.
Bye guys. This is Yaboy.
Say something.
Say something. Okay. Today's August 1. I don't know kung ano ang naging araw ni Papa Jack. Pero i-shoutout natin siya. Short message for Papa Jack. So what's your short message for him?
Be kind.
Okay. As for me, my message for you, Pang, stay safe. Okay?
And stay healthy.
Yes. See you around here at Anytime Fitness. Oh! Okay. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. So, what's your name?
I'm Coach Lou.
Oh.
Coach Luis.
IG handle. IG handle.
Kailangan ba?
Kailangan.
Coach Lou? Ano ba ano?
Malay ko. I forgot. Coach Luis 16.
Hindi!
Hindi ba?
Coach Luis.
Coach
20.
Luis. Okay, 20 lang pala. 20. So kanina, nag-short message tayo kay Papa Jack. What's your short message for him?
Kay Papa Jack, maging ikaw lang kung sino yung si Papa Jack na nakilala mo. Si Papa Jack kasi very, napaka-independent na tao na.
Ay, tama.
Basta stay who you are.
Okay.
Always be kind to others. Take care always.
Okay.
I love you.
Aww.
Take care.
Say bye.
We are just leaving Santolan Town Plaza. And papunta na tayo ng office. Dami kong na-workout ngayon. I'm tired, but I'm energized. You know that feeling, no? You're tired, but you are energized. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-describe yun. Yung napagod ka, pero parang na-hype up ka. Ginawa natin yung ganang pakiramdam. Pagod ka naman, pero hype up ka. And that's exactly how I feel now. I have 20 minutes to spare. It's 8:40. And I'm excited for the show. Ewan ko, araw-araw ko na-excite sa programa ko. Araw-araw. Which is a good thing, I guess. Kasi work ko yun eh. Tell me a story where we are changed and would live our lives together, and another strange. I didn't lose my mind. It is mine to give away. Couldn't help. You didn't have the time, so I sing. No regrets. They don't work. No regrets now. Yeah. Office na tayo. Sakto lang, oh. Oras. It's 5 before 9 o'clock. So, sakto lang yung dating na sa office.
Hello! Hi! Hello.
Maraming issue to eh.
Hindi ako yan! Yan.
Tapos na yung programa natin at kumakain kami ng mi goreng. Yan o, kumakain sila o. Ayaw kumain ito o. Kain na, mami!
Oo, kakain kami din. Ay, thank you po. Kain na kami. Sarap. Sarap.